Today, we're taking a close look at the UGREEN Cat 8 Ethernet cable 6FT, a high-performance network cord designed to deliver unmatched speed and stability for gaming, streaming, and other demanding applications. This cable is built to support data transfers at up to 40 gigabit per second with a bandwidth of 2000 megahertz, ensuring that users experience faster uploads and downloads, pristine audio, crisp image quality, and enhanced resolution for all their multimedia needs. One of the key highlights of this cable is its excellent anti-interference design. Featuring 4 shielded foiled twisted pairs, FFTP, along with a pure copper core and gold-plated RJ45 connectors, the UGREEN Cat 8 cable minimizes interference, noise, and crosstalk. These features result in a significantly faster and more stable network connection, a critical factor for gamers and streaming enthusiasts aiming for uninterrupted performance. Durability is another strong suit. The cable is wrapped in a high-quality cotton braided cord that not only adds a sleek look, but also increases its strength and lifespan. Tested to withstand bending at least 10,000 times without breaking, this Ethernet cable is engineered for long-term use, making it a reliable choice for both residential and professional environments. Additionally, the PoE Power over Ethernet support is a major convenience factor. Except for the 65 feet version, all lengths can support PoE, meaning that if you're installing a PoE camera or similar device, you won't need an extra power source, streamlining the setup process. In real-life scenarios, users have found that the UGREEN Cat 8 cable consistently delivers on its promise of high-speed, stable connections. Gamers report a noticeable reduction in lag and smoother online gameplay, while professionals using it for streaming or data-intensive tasks appreciate the enhanced reliability and performance. Compared to similar products in the market, this cable stands out due to its premium construction, robust durability, and versatile compatibility with various devices such as PCs, laptops, modems, routers, PS5, and Xbox. Its backward compatibility with older categories, Cat 7, Cat 6e, Cat 6, Cat 5e, Cat 5, adds to its appeal as a universal solution. However, it's important to note a slight drawback. The lack of PoE support in the 65 feet length might be a limitation for users requiring extended cabling with PoE functionality. Overall, if you're looking to maximize your network's potential, particularly for gaming or high-definition streaming, the UGREEN Cat 8 Ethernet cable 6FT is an excellent choice. For optimal use, ensure proper cable management and secure connections to fully leverage its high speed and durable design. In summary, this cable is a reliable, efficient, and durable solution, best suited for tech enthusiasts, gamers, and professional users who demand superior network performance.